Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The design of a 2026 Jaguar motorhome, dubbed the ultra-magnificent house, conjures up images of British style and sophisticated luxury that are easily incorporated into a mobile home. Even though Jaguar hasn't made RVs before, the idea of applying their design philosophy and superior craftsmanship to a vehicle of this kind is an intriguing one. Looking at the outside, the 2026 Jaguar motorhome would probably have the brand's signature streamlined, flowing lines. Aerodynamic efficiency would be given top priority in the design, yet a refined and subtle look would be preserved. Signs subtly integrating Jaguar design components, such the recognizable grille and sophisticated lighting characteristics, would guarantee instant brand recognition. As befits Jaguar's design pedigree, the overall form would probably evoke a sensation of beautiful motion even while immobile. Described as an ultra-magnificent house, the interior will surely prioritize unmatched comfort and luxury. Anticipate the widespread use of high-end materials, such as custom metal embellishments, soft leathers, and exquisitely made wood veneers. The design would be carefully thought out to optimize both space and use, maybe including a luxuriously furnished living room, a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, a tranquil retreat for rest, and an opulently decorated bathroom. Windows would be positioned carefully to maximize natural light, adding to the room's feeling of elegance and space. Modern and easy living would be ensured by sophisticated, smoothly integrated technology that would govern connectivity, entertainment, and climate management. In terms of performance, one could expect a sophisticated and potent engine that provides smooth and effortless cruising, even though a motorhome's main priorities are comfort and usefulness. In keeping with Jaguar's stellar reputation for ride quality, the chassis and suspension system would be designed to provide a calm and cozy ride. A calm and peaceful traveling atmosphere would be achieved by carefully controlling noise, vibration, and harshness levels. The term ultra-magnificent house suggests a degree of custom options and bespoke detailing. In order to further enhance the feeling of exclusivity and luxury, owners may be able to customize the inside finishes, layouts, and facilities to their own tastes. To sum up, the 2026 Jaguar Motorhome Ultra Magnificent House is a speculative combination of the spacious comforts of a luxury RV with the elegance of British cars. It recommends a car that prioritizes upscale luxury, elegant style, and an incredibly pleasant ride by utilizing Jaguar's well-known design and craftsmanship to create a genuinely remarkable mobile living area. Although it is only a concept at this time, it represents Jaguar's ability to expand its heritage of luxury into fresh and creative automotive fields.